Welcome! Today I'm going to help you set up and schedule a Google Meet for the future using your Google Calendar. To get started, you should navigate to Google Meet. You can do this many ways, but the two easiest are: go to google.com, make sure you are signed in to the Google account you want to use. You can check this by clicking on your profile picture in the top right. Then select the multi-menu waffle, it looks like 3x3 squares next to your profile picture, and select Meet from the menu. Or you can go directly to meet.google.com. Again, be sure you are signed into the correct Google account in the top right. Once you are on the Google Meet site, do you see the blue New Meeting button? That is the option you want to select. From here, there are three choices. Let's talk about each of them. First is Create a Meeting for Later. This option creates a link to a meeting that you can copy and paste. You can share that with the meeting's attendees and use that link when it's time to start the meeting. This option works for us, but I think there's a better one that gives us a little more control and customization. Second is Start an Instant Meeting. Choose this if you want to start a meeting right now. But we want a meeting for later, so let's keep looking. Third is Schedule in Google Calendar. This is the option we want. Go ahead and select that. A new tab will open in Google Calendar. Here you can add all of the necessary information. Add a descriptive title to your meeting. Keep in mind that all of the participants will see this title and it will be the name of the meet once it's open. You can select the date and time of the meeting. You can also change the time zone if you need to. Under Event Details, change what is needed. You will not likely need a location since you're meeting online, but you can add a description and change a few other options too. To the right, under Guests, you can add guests by entering their name or email address. This will send them an email with the calendar event. Once everything looks right, be sure to hit Save next to the title. However, we're not quite done yet, so let's go back to editing our event. There are a few useful things you may want to do within this window that are a bit harder to find. Do you see the three icons just to the left of the Guest section? Select the middle one with a rectangle to copy the Google Meet information in case you want to add that to another site. Selecting the cog shows useful options called host controls. Do you want to make sure you are the first person in the meet? In host controls, you can select host must join before anyone else to ensure just that. Here you can also enable the host management tools to control who can share their screen, send chat messages, or send reactions. You can also do this later when you've started the Google Meet. Last, you can manage who can access the meeting. Trusted means only people who are invited through their Google account can attend, while Open lets in anyone who has the link. Choose what makes sense for your meeting. Are you hosting a general information session? You probably want Open. Is this a private meeting? Then you probably want to select Trusted here. That should be everything for the setup. When it's time to actually start your meeting, you can go to your Google Calendar, select the event, and a button to join with Google Meet should pop up immediately. Then you can focus on what your meeting is about, rather than rushing to send out the link at the last minute. Isn't that great?